Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer, World Boss. Also, we want to talk about Masicka, one side, genocide boss. One side till the landslide, the crocodile, big up the alligator them too. So people, Masicka style Vybz Kartel with a post on him Instagram with a Capitan song and diss them as fear king and make people know say certain king soon lose them throne. So everybody supposed to know by now, say the Gaza fans them crown Vybz Kartel as king at Dancehall. Also Vybz Kartel was crowned at the 2025 Sunfest. So Vybz Kartel in enough people's eyes is the self-proclaimed king of dancehall. So Masicka now people want the crown. Masicka say him are the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Vybz Kartel himself has say him are the GOAT. War in a dancehall. As Movado say, war is in the air. Tell them, say them fi prepare. War people. War, as Bounty Killer say back in the day. WARR spell war, war, Street Fighter, Ken, Ryu, Mortal Kombat, finish him, Sub-Zero versus Scorpion. And you know so we love the war in a dancehall. War in a dancehall. Nice. We love when war in a dancehall. Lyrical war, no physical war. Because we know say dancehall is a competitive sports. Dancehall are like sports. So whether you say football, Manchester United, Chelsea, Liverpool, you say Real Madrid, you say Barcelona, make me know in the comment section which team you say. If you say basketball, you don't know Michael Jordan and my GOAT. Second, Kobe Bryant, LA Lakers, Chicago Bulls to the world. And when you go NFL, football, you know say Tom Brady are the GOAT. Big up to me New England Patriots. So we love war when it comes to dancehall. Positive, lyrical, war, all is fear in love and war when it come to dancehall. Wanna watch the movie there with Russell Crowe, Maximus, the gladiator. We love to see the gladiator them in the arena. War is in the air. So people, Masicka realize say, forget him respect in a dancehall. Him have to go stop be a coward. As Alkaline say, stop be a wet bread. Masicka realize say, him run from Alkaline. He run from Skeng. He run from Governor. He run from High Donor. And him realize say, it a affect him career. Masicka realize say, him need to clash at some point in time. Masicka realize say he shouldn't put him career a Vybz Kartel foot. And Masicka realize say Vybz Kartel overshadow him. Plus, Vybz Kartel no like see nobody in a dancehall hotter than him. Plus, Vybz Kartel just a come from prison after 13 years. Plus Vybz Kartel had a crazy show in a stadium and arena. So Vybz Kartel feel like say him a the man. Vybz Kartel say him a the GOAT. Vybz Kartel say him a the king of the dancehall. Masicka say him a the GOAT. Masicka drop a album name Generation of Kings. And that no sit good with Vybz Kartel and the Gaza camp. So Masicka realize him have to clash Vybz Kartel or a clash with him and Vybz Kartel or a clash with him and Alkaline have to happen some point in time. Masicka realize them take him for a footstool. Masicka realize them take him for a idiot. Masicka realize if him want be the man in a dancehall, he have to step to Alkaline, he have to step to Vybz Kartel, cause majority of people are call him out as coward. Majority as people are call him out as a track star, as a runner. Viewers and subscribers, clash is very important in a dancehall. The level where Vybz Kartel there, a clash help propel him to the level there. When Vybz Kartel and Movado a clash, I want the biggest clash in a dancehall, one of the biggest clash in the genre, one of the biggest clash in the culture. Seeing clashing make Movado and Vybz Kartel bigger, and them name will forever be stamped in a history. In a history, people will forever talk about Movado and Kartel clash. People always are going to talk about Bounty Killer and Beenie Man clash. Bounty Killer and Beenie Man being nemesis, rivalry for years, and it make both artists relevant, and it make both artists bigger as Sting, Sunface, right across the board. And remember when Bounty Killer and Beenie Man do verses in the pandemic, the clash there where them clash for the people them, cause everybody did their home. Almost 500,000 people. The Rihanna did it, the Beyonce, the Jay-Z, the Timbaland, the Swiss Beat, the Busta Rhymes, everybody you can name did it watch the verses. Verses become what it is because of Bounty and Beanie. When Ludacris and Nelly and Snoop Dogg and DMX them did it, it was a joke thing. But a Bounty and Beanie really take it to the level there. That's how important clash is. And people love to see rivalry. People love to see competition. People love to see people go at it as gladiator. And we are talking about music, art, lyrically. Seeing? So at that clash do for Bounty, Beanie and Vybz Kartel and Movado. Clash also make, see, Ninja Man bigger, Super Cat bigger. Clash make Merciless bigger. That's how important clash is in a dancehall. Once you reach October, November, back in the days, artists used to war each other. The Keep Rich them used to come out, come war. The Ninja Man and Mad Cobra go at it. Wicked Ninja Man and Super Cat them. Ninja Man go at it with Shabba. So clash is very good for the culture. Even in the sound part, we know say I see them clash help build a bass of this, a Black Cat with a Pink Panther, a Stone Love back in the days. Same way, seeing a Mighty Crown, a Tony Mataran. You name all of the great sound them are the great clash selector them like a Pink Panther, a Tony Mataran, a Ricky Chopper. Seeing Ricky Chopper back in the days for Killerman, Jaro. That clash though for the culture. So clash is very important. People are gonna pick them side. Enough people in a dancehall right now, the fan base them actually tribal. Enough of the fan base them I support them artists and I go at it on the YouTube streets, on the internet. You have the Gaza fan base them. You have the Vendetta fan base. You have the Gully. You have the Genocide fan base. The JOP, them same way. The Alliance fan base. Even back in the days, in the 90s, when me I go high school, early 90s, you used to have different crew at the time. Beanie Man used to have him Shocking Vybz crew, and then used to have Main Street crew. Seeing back in ideas, Monster Shock crew, Bounty Killer with Scare them crew, same way the Innocent crew, them same way, and them always a rival each other. So depending upon which camp you're there in, war did a go on. When Shocking Vybz are go against Scare them or against Main Street crew, Monster Shock crew, rivalry is good in a dancehall. Why you think even in a track and field when Usain Bolt are go against Gatlin them or Tyson Gay, Usain Bolt are go against Asafa Powell, same way, rivalry, competition. People love to see that. People love to see entertainment. So Masicka now realize him have to make a step, put for him claim pan dancehall. Most of the time you can't wait pan people for crown your king. You have to go out them more while and go take your crown for yourself. Seeing them telling you say the humblest calf drink the most milk. No go so. The humblest calf starve. And the cravenest calf I go get the most milk. The cravenest puppy I go get the most milk. So most of the time you have to go out there and defend your respect. Take your respect. And Vybz Kartel and Masicka have to bump head. Because it's either Masicka go continue say Gaza genocide and continue build Gaza or him try work on theme fan base. Remind you, most of Masicka fan base are Gaza. But if him put up a good fight and him step to Kartel and defend him thing on a lyrical level, at the end of the day, people are going to rate him. Win or lose, Masicka have nothing to lose. Because at the end of the day, Masicka is the underdog. Pause. So at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel is the bigger artist with the bigger fan base. But Masicka can get respect. And in a dancehall where it's a competition sport and dancehall corrupt, dancehall full of whole heap of bad mind. So in a dancehall you have to fight for yourself and fight so you can get the respect there. Back in the day, Vybz Kartel used to fight for him respect. Vybz Kartel used to beat all artists allegedly, all selector, and this jockey used to get beaten allegedly. If you don't understand, Vybz Kartel come from alliance, and Vybz Kartel want to be him own a big man. In an alliance, you can't have two alpha male. That means Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer will bump head. And they did bump head. Vybz Kartel want to be him own a man, do him own a thing, go him own a direction. So him did have to left alliance. If Vybz Kartel never left alliance, Vybz Kartel wouldn't be as big as he is today. Maybe he wouldn't go prison, and we know prison do a lot in career. But at the end of the day, when Vybz Kartel left and go farm him own a crew, Gaza him become bigger. Movado did have to left. Hidewana did have to left. You can't have a whole bunch of alpha male in a group, a take talk from a next alpha male problem I got did it. Cause once you have too much alpha, everybody want to run them own a pack and be them owner done. So problem did I got did it. So Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer bump head. Vybz Kartel did have to go at Bounty Killer. Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer clash. Vybz Kartel's style and this Bounty Killer in the wickedest way. Lyrically them clash and war. Vybz Kartel did have to fight so it can be Vybz Kartel. Then Vybz Kartel and Beanie Man a link. And Beanie Man a say, yo, when me say on the say Gaza, me say Beanie Man go there say him a the king. Him are the emperor for Gaza. Vybz Kartel would not have that. Vybz Kartel and Beanie have to kick off. Vybz Kartel no love take talk. Vybz Kartel no want nobody fi tell him what fi do. So saying all of that to say this, if Masicka a roll with Kartel, a Kartel a go be the alpha male. So if Masicka want be a alpha male and be him own a boss, him have to go stand up for himself in a dance hall. Him have to go clash Kartel. Him have to go clash Alkaline. Him have to go rub out some artists. He needs some dopey in a dance hall lyrically to become them person there. Yes, he's a column, but at the end of the day, he don't want to live in an Alkaline shadow. He don't want to live in a Vybz Kartel shadow. So if he want to come out of them shadow and be him own a man, he have to go clash them. He have to go be one side to land side. He have to go be the crocodile. He have to go be the genocide. The man have to take a stand. And Masicka try do that. We see Kartel goons them run out like Sean Storm. We see Nuffy run out. We see Mad Sus run out. And we know said the only reason why them run out is because Vybz Kartel give them the go ahead. Because Vybz Kartel did respect and rate Masicka and cool with Masicka. Vybz Kartel wouldn't tell them to bill. But the reason why them come out and this Masicka and defend Kartel is because talking are going in the circle and them know say Masicka want be goat and Kartel already say ma the goat. So problem I got did it. So at the end of the day, somewhere, somehow, Masicka and Kartel have to bump head and the people them a call for a clash. Dancehall boring, dancehall no sweet. Kartel a do him show them and him a do him stadium, him a do this, him say low, gun tune, him say change him life, but him a do the same song them. But Vybz Kartel have to go back to gun lyrics. Vybz Kartel have to go defend him crown. At the end of the day, if people know say him a wet bread and he can't clash and he no want clash, people are going to continue to take step at him. Vybz Kartel no like nobody take step at him. Vybz Kartel no like nobody more than him. So eventually, Vybz Kartel have to go rush Masicka. Eventually, Vybz Kartel have to go run out. Some people are say, yo, Vybz Kartel rich. Vybz Kartel have money. Vybz Kartel are the crazy show. No pay Masicka no mind. No pay Alkaline no mind. Listen, there's a thing called ego. A thing called ego. And when you want to be the very best at your sports, when you want to be the greatest, once you have a crown, people will come for your crown. Once you say you are the king, people are going to step to you. So Vybz Kartel can't say I'm the king of dancehall and just kick back and enjoy himself. So other people want the crown. Plus, enough of the younger artists them are come up. Plus, enough of the younger fan base them, younger youths them. Them no respect Kartel. Enough of the younger youths them are Alkaline them respect Masicka them. And the younger youths them can relate to certain youth. So at the end of the day, enough of the younger people them no want to hear say Kartel a king. Just like how enough of the Gaza fans them were younger. Them say a Kartel like king, they don't want to say a Beanie. Them say Beanie man time pass and gone. So you have a next generation come up where them are going to say, yo, Kartel a old man, Kartel soon 50, Kartel figure sit down, a Alkaline them for run off this, a Masicka them for run off this, a Skeng them for run off this, a Valiant for run off this, a Raja Wild. The younger fan base that get older and older. And enough of the younger fan base they don't want to hear what Kartel have to say. And since Vybz Kartel come from prison, enough people can't relate to him song them. Yes, him say God is the greatest. Yes, people understand that. But Vybz Kartel no that Jamaica again. Vybz Kartel they overseas. So enough people look on Vybz Kartel like a Shaggy and a Sean Paul them. But who really the panic ground? Remember, so when Movado left Jamaica, he lose touch with him fan base. Him lose touch with the people them. And one thing about Jamaica people, they love when you're rich. They love when you have money. They love when you make it. But at the same time, if you make it and start do some song where they can't relate to, them will cut you off. Cause enough people since Vybz Kartel come from prison and sing some song. People are say, where am I go with them fuckery? Enough people now want to hear nothing the way Vybz Kartel have to say. You know, see the old song them, this man from 90s, make you know what a hollow pint is. At them song the people them want to hear Black Kartel, Blacker Kartel, Bleach Out Kartel, other version of Kartel the people them love. Even though when you see the show them a sell out, yes, the man been incarcerated for 13 years. So people want to see him, nostalgia. But at the end of the day, the Kartel, yeah, people them can't relate to him. Enough of them relate to Black Kartel, Bleach Out Kartel, Kartel where they pay a bad man song. Cause me now, touch a button now, and know where you come from. Don't you know who for frighten at the Kartel, the people them rate. Enough of the song where I do now. People not listen to them. People not really care about them. People care about the song them when do. But then, at them song that the people them run with, him attacks and changing ways. Yes, you can do gun song and change your ways, whatever. But the people them now want to hear nothing about change no ways. The people them want the vile Kartel with the bad breed song them from back in ideas. At them the song the people them listen to. So enough of the song them what him do right now. The people them can't relate to him. So at some point in time, Vybz Kartel have to go put on back in sneakers, put on back in jersey, and go back on the battlefield. And if everybody knows the Vybz Kartel change, and in Vybz mash up, or in sick, or in not so healthy, people are going to want to take away from him. Back in the days now, enough artists did want clash Kartel. But true, they know say Kartel have crazy bad man links. And him link with a Danya link with a gang there, and a gang there. So they did have to bill. But enough people know say him power cut. Plus he don't want to go back to prison. So enough people are going to run in now. Enough people are going to take a stand. Alkaline from back in the days never run for a Kartel. Movado never run. But now enough artists are the same power cut. When you ask some artists who are them top 10, who are them top 5, enough artists not even say Kartel. Enough artists not say Vybz Kartel. So the power there where the Gaza fans them did have and the Vybz Kartel did have for music, them are lose it. Who agree with me? Agree with me. But Vybz Kartel and Alkaline must clash at some point in time. Some kick off. Have to go on. Vybz Kartel and Masicka have to kick off same way. Or Vybz Kartel are going to lose in crown and him have to go sit down over one part. As me said before, Kartel no like when nobody hotter than him. Kartel no like when no artist bigger than him. Kartel no want nobody run dancehall over him. So him have to go make up his mind and take a step. If even after the tour over cool down, some point in time, him have to go running back because people want him crown. Just like how him take the crown from Beanie, people are running for him crown. And Masicka are running right now. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe, I'm out.